Okay, this is the vocabulary number 1 of the second semester. What's cooking? There are 18 words in the vocabulary. The words are vegetables, fruits, meat, fish, dairy, drinks, bed, shop, cook, fry, hit, pour, stir, bowl, nib, saucepan, food, and cook. Okay? These are the 13 words of the vocabulary, and we're going to have exercise the next week. We're going to work here in the page 42. Unit 4 was cooking. Okay, we're going to work in the part number 1. Okay, we're going to work this part number 1. We have some picture of food here. Tenemos algunas figuras de alimentos en el lado derecho de la página, ¿verdad? We have an onion, we have orange juice, we have bread, and the book has divided the food in the correct kind of food. We have vegetables, fruit, meat and fish, dairy, other, and drinks. ¿Ok? Aquí en la parte 1 tenemos un cuadro donde ya aparece dividido los alimentos que aparecen aquí en el lado derecho, ya aparece dividido en el cuadro. We have page 42. 42. ¿Ok? Tenemos que la cebolla, the onion, is a vegetable. Entonces lo ubicaron en el lado de vegetales. We have the lemon. This is a juice lemon. Este jugo de limón. We have the lemon is a fruit. Así que lo colocaron del lado de la fruta, ¿verdad? We have, okay, for me the letter C is an egg. I don't know. Tenemos, para mí, la letra C es un huevo. Ok, pero no veo nada de eso acá acomodado. The letter D, okay, chicken. We have the chicken as meat and fish, carnes y pescado. And the bread, the letter E, el pan, lo tienen como ubicado en otros. Other. Dairy, remember that dairy is lácteos and drinks, bebidas. Okay? So now you're going to write a list of food words under the headings. Okay? You're going to have 3 minutes to complete with 2 or 3 more food in each category. Okay? Les voy a dar 3 minutos para que completen un poco más este cuadro. Me van a escribir en cada categoría de 2 a 3 alimentos más. Vegetables, fruit, meat and fish, dairy, other, and drinks. ¿Ok?